In the marshy wetlands of North America, a peculiar creature thrives, the star-nosed mole. Unlike any ordinary mole, this minuscule mammal boasts a fascinating star-shaped nose, consisting of 22 miniature appendages. As it scuttles through mud and water, these tentacles serve as ultra-sensitive sensory organs, allowing it to detect prey in mere milliseconds. The star-nosed mole is a master at exploiting its environment, relying on touch more than sight or smell. This makes it one of the world's fastest foragers, snapping up insects, worms, and other tiny prey with impeccable precision. Its extraordinary hunting technique and unique evolution offer insights into the marvels of nature's adaptability, urging viewers to appreciate the intricacies beneath the soil's surface.